Hi everyone, welcome to our course. Today we will learn about FlipGrid. FlipGrid is an online tool for submitting video and audio assignments. To start using it, you will just go to flipgrid.com. This is the page. This is an absolutely free tool, so you can sign up. If you already have your account, you can just log in. I already have my account. To start with your discussion, you can just add a topic. And let's add a topic saying we want you to introduce yourself. You give the title for your topic and then you write a prompt. For example, I wrote, please introduce yourself. You can also attach media to go along with your assignment. So let's upload an image. You can upload any image that you want, or a video, or anything. Let's just say we want to put if you want it. Okay, we can select this one. We will make this public or private. You can choose the way you want to use student email. If you use a student email or username or a password, you will have to enter that. But if you don't want to make it complicated, you can just use it as a public. Okay, so the recording time, you can choose for how long you want the students to record themselves. So it can be, let's just say we use 2 minutes. Other people can also leave comments on these videos, and if you want, you can also go to additional options such as adding a link. If they want, you can use a link. You can choose whether to show yourself as an active, selfies, videos, feedback. Okay, so if we want to give feedback to people on their videos, we can also use this setting. Once you're ready, you click on create topic. Okay, when your topic is ready, you can the website will give you a link to follow. You can either use it as a QR code, send it to your Google Classroom if you have one already, and also you can just copy and send it to your students. After that, if I am the student and I have the link, I can view it as a student. So this is what I see when I come here. I can record a response when I'm ready. And when I do that, it makes me log in with an account. Okay. It will ask you for permission to access your computer and your microphone. Click on allow. And it will load the webcam for me to talk. So when I'm ready, I can start. And I'll say, hi, my name is Dolnay. I am one of the trainers for this course, and I'm really excited to see all of you in this class. When you're ready, you can stop. You can choose an effects, filters, or photos to add to your video, and so on. And I'll say, hi, my name is Dolnay. I am one of the trainers for this course. Okay, you can edit the video the way you want. You can trim it. And I'll say, hi, you can trim it or delete it if you don't like it, and then you confirm. And I'll say, hi. You watch it one more time, and once you're done, you will submit it. After you're done, it will upload the video and let you know that your video has been uploaded. Okay, so once you have uploaded your response, you can go to your board again and watch other people's videos. So for example, if I click on mine, you can watch it. You can also leave comments to other students in your class. You can go back And basically, this is a really good tool to collect video responses if you're teaching online. And I hope this tutorial was helpful, and we are looking forward for your videos and to learn more about you. Bye bye.